Okay, so I did the cleaning cycle and the clean is still on. So I'm gonna try this again. Clean through the machine again.
On the particle.
Alright, so now we are gonna press the grind and the double for 3 seconds. Alright, and then we will put it on steam. And you let the water run until all of the water pretty much comes out and the water light will turn on. Alright, you guys, I descaled. I did the extra cleaning. I unplugged the power from the espresso and the cleaning light is still on. So what do I do from now on? Alright, you guys, the cleaning light is finally gone. So I think the real reason why it worked was I went into the software and I updated the espresso machine software. So maybe that was. I put 2 tablets in here with really hot water, mixed it really well, put it in the water tank, and did a whole cycle again. And right before the second cleaning cycle, I saw on the app that it needed a major update, and I did the update, and then the cleaning light went away, and then I finished it off with the water clear through cycle and the cleaning off. The cleaning light still stayed off even though I did press to clean the espresso machine again. After doing the cleaning cycle, the 2-step process and turning it off and unplugging, if none of that works, check the software and hopefully one of those will work for you guys to finally get that cleaning light off.